up spraying the rest of that can through there. I re-glued it, and it doesn't seem to have. It had a little bit of mist, like a mist at first, but I've been going up a bunch of mountains and stuff, and it seems like it's driving pretty good now. I'm still going to wait until it gets about out of gas, and I'm going to put some non-ethanol 93 in here with some octane booster, and then it's got to have an oil change soon, so whenever I do the oil change, I'm going to go ahead and do the seafoam intake clean. It's pretty much called a hot soak.